Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. For this self-care Sunday, we're going to be making a do-it-yourself salt scrub. So these are the ingredients that you'll need. You can switch them around or use whatever you have at home, but I'll link these below if you're interested. So the first thing is this Dr. Teals Epsom soaking solution. I like to use Epsom salts in my scrubs just because they also have the added benefit of soothing sore muscles, and they give a really good exfoliation too. This is the lavender one, but you can use any kind you want because we're going to be flavoring it ourselves. Second is this Jameson's vitamin E. This just adds more hydration because I have dry skin, so I'm using really nourishing oils that hydrate a lot. And then next is some sweet almond oil, and you want to make sure that all the oils that you're getting are 100% pure with no additives in them. Next is this avocado oil, also for more hydration. And then coconut oil as well, I really like to use. And then these are the oils that I'm using to flavor it. Lavender, lemon, wild orange, and peppermint. And you can use any scent that you want. If you guys like this video, please like it so I know, and I can even make more scrubs with different things in it and different flavors if it would be helpful for you. I've cleaned my container. I just use these Bath and Body Works containers to put it in. I love to put it in glass because that way the essential oils don't seep into plastic like they would plastic. Coconut oil is the only oil that's solid, so I'm going to keep mostly all melted. If there's little clumps, that's okay because we'll be mixing the other stuff, so it'll all mix together well. So I like to combine all my oils first. Spoons of coconut oil, and now I'll add the sweet almond. And it doesn't have to be too exact. I would say I probably put like a tablespoon or so. So 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, a tablespoon of almond oil. And the other oils I don't put as much in. Most of it is the coconut oil. So it's the avocado oil, probably like another tablespoon. It's super thick. So I just kind of let it run through. But again, the vitamin E just is great for people with dry skin, or if you get drier skin now that the weather's changing, you'd really like it. And I'll just let it drip. So 2 of these little spatulas of vitamin E, 1 tablespoon of the other ingredients, and then 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. They mix perfectly or anything, but I just kind of give them a nice stir. So then I'll add in my Epsom salt. I just do it based on consistency. So I'll add this in first and then see how much more. And then I'll stir it around just to make sure. You want it to be pretty gritty I like mine with quite a bit of oil in it because again, I find it really hydrating. So it's still too watery. So we'll add more. So this is my 3rd cup of the half cup. So I've added in my 3rd scoop of the half a cup, and then I'll stir it around. And this is pretty much the perfect consistency for me. So it's got a lot of grit from the Epsom salt, but it's also quite oily too, so it'll give you a lot of hydration and a lot of exfoliation too. And you can make it as thick or as thin as you'd like, but I would just really recommend using 100% pure stuff. So 100% pure of whatever oil you want to use, 100% pure essential oils. And I really love using the Epsom salts just because it really helps. Like Epsom salts in your bath helps soothe your muscles. So I find it kind of gives the same effect with in the shower. So that's pretty much the final product. You can make it as oily or as thick as you'd like, but this is kind of how I like it. So the last thing we'll do is add essential oils, and you can add different essential oils depending on what smells you like or what you'd like. If you like to shower at bedtime, you might want to add relaxing oils. Or if you like to shower in the morning, you might want to add oils that give you energy. I'm using doTERRA oil, so I only need a few drops. 1, 2, 3 of the lavender. 1, 2, 3, 4 of peppermint. 1, 2, 3, 4 of wild orange. And then I added some lemon. So I just, if you have these oils, try diffusing them together, like 2 drops of lemon, wild orange, peppermint, and lavender. It's just such a good combination. Or even just peppermint and the citruses. It just smells delicious. So now I have all my essential oils in, so I'm just gonna stir it up. And it smells so good. Oh my gosh. So this is my final product. And now I'll just put it in my shower and use it up. It's usually good for a few weeks. I've never really noticed a problem with using it in a few weeks, and I go through it pretty fast. So if you guys like this video, please like it, and I'll make more videos for you. If you want more flavors or like a fall themed one or anything like that, just let me know, and just comment down below what are your favorite things to do for Self-Care Sunday. Do you like to do a mask, a hair mask, body care? What's your favorite thing? And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, and have a great day. And this is what it looks like. And it looks and smells divine. So try this in your next shower and you'll love it. Thank you so much and have a great day.